Hey everybody, it's Thomas with Get Out Arizona, and once again we are on the trail in the Estrella Mountain Regional Park doing a little mountain biking this morning. As you can see, all the trail signs. This trail is actually very well marked. Beautiful, beautiful October morning. The weather does not get much better than this. It's going to be a short ride today, my friends. Nothing too crazy, nothing too technical, but hey, anytime we can get out on the trail, it's a great day. So I appreciate you coming along for this adventure. So let's get going, and don't forget, be kind to yourself and others. Be amazing stewards out on that trail. And we have to ask, as we see that sunset coming up ahead, what are you waiting for? Get out Arizona. My friends, it's time for that next adventure. Let's get to it. So what happens when you go the wrong way? We come back to where we started. Goodness gracious. All right, my friends, if you made it this far, like, subscribe, bell notification icon. Helps out the channel, helps out the video, and I definitely thank you for your support. Let's keep moving forward. Oh, good morning, gentlemen.
Good morning.
Here you doing all the work going uphill.
Oh, thank you.
Be my guest. You guys have a brilliant day.
Thanks, you too.
All right, guys, we say it all the time. You know, it's one of the tenets to Get Out Arizona. Be a good steward on the trail. You know, we lead by example. Teach when we have the opportunity. We don't disparage, we support. And you know, I will make a trail video on etiquette here in the next several weeks. but it doesn't take much. It doesn't take much to be the bigger person, to be the nice person. Have a great day, smile, enjoy yourselves. We're all out here to do the same thing. You know, it doesn't have to be a pissing contest. So just, like I said, be that bigger person, be that steward, and lead by example. So let's keep going, my friends. Decisions. So you can see up there, that sign. I'm pretty sure that's where we're gonna go to. And I'm pretty sure that looks like a nasty climb. Let's get after it. Son of a bitch. Sped that last segment up for the sake of time because no one wants to see an old man struggle. Let's keep going, my friends. We're getting close to that home stretch. Oh, a little choppy. Turn. Whoa. Shit. Wrong way. Jesus. Not gonna lie, guys. My asshole puckered up on that one. Come on. Come on. Now, it was a short ride today, 7 miles when it's all said and done. But I always say, there's no such thing as a bad day on the trail, just a short day on the trail. So, all right, my friends, as we're coming here to the parking lot area, I want to say thanks. Again, we're in the Estrella Mountain Regional Park. Just a small portion of it. You'll see more of it in the future this season. I want to thank everybody for their support. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your feedback. Just keep it civil and constructive. That's all I ask. Remember, like, subscribe, bell notification icon. Links down below to social media and some other stuff. And that's it, my friends. And at this point, what do we always say? Seriously, be kind to yourself and others. All right, number 1. Number 2, be amazing stewards on that trail. We've already talked about that. And 3, as you see the view ahead of me, as we're heading on home, we have to ask, what are you waiting for? Get out Arizona. My friends, we'll see you on that next adventure. Have an amazing day, wherever you're at, whatever you're doing.